Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you're watching this update, I'm about to show you a live withdrawal from core various. Now, this is another training that I'm about to share with everyone that is participating in this tutorial. This update is very, very important. If you have already signed up on core various, make sure you go and deposit right now. For those of you that use my link to sign up last month, you have not deposited, you have not activate your core variable to be yielding you daily profit, you are wasting time. Now I'm about to make a live withdrawal right now. This is my token pocket wallet. Mind you, if you want to join, you need a token pocket wallet or MetaMask, but I prefer token pocket wallet because it works seamlessly on token pocket. So as you can see, currently I have 2.26525 core right now. So I'm going to make a live withdrawal from this update that is going to be called various. So I'm going to log into my account. To log in, click on discover. Then from here, you just tap on this on the search bar here to bring out the core various wallet. The core various link. Now I'm going to access my core various account and then perform a live withdrawal. I withdraw every 3 to 4 days from core various without doing anything. Just sign up, invest, and core various will be generating daily traffic, daily profit to your balance every 24 hours, 247. Core various is the next big thing. If you miss it, you may not be able to recover the loss. By the time you see people that have already made thousands of dollars from this project, spending their money, you will have missed the opportunity. So I don't want you to miss it. So grab this tutorial. Now let me log into my account for you to see my current balance. This is my current total free core, because when you sign up, they'll give you free 10 core free, but it can't generate you any profit until you deposit. Deposit is just $5 minimum. You can deposit higher. So you can see once you deposit, they start sending traffic under you from the global traffic, that is people joining from worldwide. You can see I have about 163 people that have been automatically placed under me, and out of them 155 have activated their account. I have 15 direct downlines that have joined, and out of 15, 4 only have deposit and have been earning profit. As you can see, I withdraw from my core virus account every 3 to 4 days. This is what I withdraw every 3 to 4 days. As you can see, these are my balance. So I'm about to place a withdrawal right now. So to place a withdrawal, what you do is you go to, this is my wallet statistics. Now you tap on this X icon, and you select, tap on deposit, tap on this place, deposit. So I want to make a live withdrawal, and to show you that this project is big and you can set yourself financially free by leveraging into this project. I'm going to leave my link, my joining link. Mind you, if you are registering, you need a token pocket wallet. So how to set up all these things, I'm going to send you a link. I'm going to drop a link to the tutorial. The tutorial is already on Telegram. On Telegram bot, where you launch the bot and attend the tutorial and watch the step-by-step video on how to register and how to deposit. And you need registration, small amount of core for registration. That is for the gas fee, about 0.0044. Just make sure you have about 0.0045 core in your token pocket. If you don't have the gas fee, you can chat me on, and I'm going to send gas fees to you. So let's go right away. I'm sending gas fee to the first 100 people that chat me out. I'm going to send the registration gas fee that you need just to register, because after registering, you need to deposit core so that your free 10 core that's given to you will start working for you. So I'm going to make a live withdrawal right now. So it says enter pin. So let me pause the video. Alright, so I just enter my withdrawal pin. So I'm tapping on withdraw. I want to withdraw 8.70 core. I withdraw every 3 to 4 days from this platform, and this platform is worldwide. So do not joke with core various. Lots of people are joining from different countries. They are joining core various, and as they are joining core various, so it is the amount of people getting paid passively while they are sleeping. They are getting paid passive profit. So this project is going to be generating to your wallet passive profit. You'll be earning 10 times your deposit after 100 days. Then as soon as you have deposit, you'll be earning profit, round the clock profit, if you have people, team members that deposit under you. Now, I'm going to be giving every participant that participates in my tutorial, I'm going to be giving you free downlines. If you join, I'm going to be giving you three downlines, because once you have downlines under you, you start seeing your profit every minute. But if you don't have downlines and you deposit until after 100 days before you will start receiving 10 times profit, that's 10 times your deposit. That is how the core system has been programmed. All right, guys, so I am initiating the withdrawal right now. So let's see, I can go. Withdrawal is instant and direct to your wallet. It says processing. All right, so it's gonna charge me some tiny amount of call as gas fee. So let me continue. So I'm going to input my password. Let me pause the video and input my wallet. All right, so I'm going to confirm the transaction. All right, it's loading. So let me give it some time. Wow, see, it's a success. Withdrawal success. So let me go and check my wallet. As you can see, before I show you that I have just $2 in my core balance. So just going to my core balance right now to check my wallet. Wow, as you can see, it has been refreshed. Now, why you are seeing this amount is that some percentage will be used to reinvest you into the project again. So as you can see, I have withdrawn this amount, and I make withdrawal every 3 to 4 days, because this project is generating me passive profit even while I sleep. So that is why you need this project. You need this project to be making you money while you sleep. So I'm going to show you how this project works now, so that you know that it is not something you should be playing with. So let me go to my balance. Let me go to my status. As you can see, this is your dashboard interface. So to check your status, your account status, if you qualify for daily profit, you click here, and then you see your account status completed. That means that you have been qualified. If you have team members that deposit under you, they must deposit what the amount, equivalent amount that you deposit. 3 people must deposit equivalent amount of call that you deposit. So your account status will read completed. That means you are qualified for daily profit. So if you join without referring anyone, then you have to wait for 100 days for your profit to start generate. That means for your capital to start generating your profit. But if you join and invite 3 people that deposit the same amount of call that you deposit, for instance, if you deposit $5 and 3 people that join with your link deposit $5, that means the core virus, they are going to start generating profit for you from that very same day till for life. You are going to be earning profit, and your account status, if you click on here, you see your account status will read completed. So this program, it accommodates both those that can refer and those that cannot refer. So this is what I'm going to be doing. If you join with my link, let me check my status. That is, let me show you my balance. This is what I'm going. If you join with my link, I'm going to share my joining link in the group. If you join with my link, what you need to do is to copy the link and paste it on your token pocket browser, and then you sign up. And then, but you need some amount of gas fee. So if you join with my link, I'm going to be placing 3 people under you, because I've already completed the number of my downlines, as you can see. So everyone joining from my community, if you join, I'm going to send you a link that you're going to join with. So the link I'm even going to be sending you is not my link anymore, because I have already completed my status to qualify for daily profit. So I want to help my community people. So if you join and deposit, for those that join and deposit, if you have joined before, you have not deposit, try and go and make your deposit. But if you join and you deposit, I'm going to start promoting your link. So that is how we are going to run the training. When you join, you deposit 5 call minimum. That's 5.5 call. Let's make it 5.5 call because of gas fee. When you join and deposit 5.5 call minimum, call is going to give you 10 call. That is, from that 10 call, they are going to give you extra amount of call. That means your 40% of the 10 call will be added to your deposit. So if you have higher deposit, you are going to make very big money. So this is a lifetime investment because the core blockchain is taking over the ecosystem. So if you join today and deposit today, or as soon as you join, make sure you deposit. If you want me to assist you to buy core, DM me, come to my DM, and I'm going to assist you to buy core. So once you deposit, you send me your link, your referral link, your call link. And how do you get your call link? You just click on wallet statistics. You see this will be your call link that is displayed. You click on, you highlight on it and copy your link. You copy your link like this, copy it and send it to my DM. But you have to send me screenshot proof that you have deposited. Then I'm going to start promoting your link. I'm going to place 3 people under you to join your team, and you start seeing profit like me every day, 24 hours, and it is for life. You are earning profit for life. You earn up to 11 levels. So if you join my team, you register under my referrals, under my team, I am still earning for you in up to 10 levels. You earn from your team up to 10 levels. So if I'm sending referrals to your link, that means I am also earning. So that is how it works. It pays up to 10 levels. Get free 10 core rewards by free registration, and also get benefit free referral program up to 11 levels. So I want you to join this project and help yourself start earning while you sleep. That is why I love this program. It enables you to start earning while you sleep. Core Various will multiply your funds unlimitedly without any risk, and they will be paying you for life. So let us all join. If you don't have any money to join this project, you can raise money through the fund, $1 to $50, $100. Make sure you join that program. I've already sent the link into the group and how you can request for your joining link. So make sure you join these programs and raise capital for yourself. When you raise capital for yourself, join this particular program. That's if you don't have money to invest. But if you have money to invest, just $5 minimum, and you will start making lots of profit. This is a verified project. Thank you very much, and God bless you.